At 12, he was drawing houses on the floor. At 65, he's drawing the future. This is the story of Chief Adebayo, architect. He grew up in Ajegunle. One room, no light. His father was a bricklayer. His mother sold akara. People laughed. Architect with no money for JAMB. He failed JAMB twice. Slept at bus stop to read. But every night he drew on paper, on walls, on his mind. At 28, he got his first job, 3,000 to design a shop. The client said it's too small. He said it's a start. He was rejected 17 times. On the 18th, someone gave him one bungalow. That bungalow became 10. Those 10 became estates. 2008 recession, project stopped. Bank took his car. Wife said maybe quit. He almost did. Then he remembered the boy drawing on cement. So he built smaller for teachers, for nurses, houses people could actually afford. Today, he is 65. He designed over 400 homes, 3 schools, 1 hospital. But his proudest building, the duplex he built for his parents in Ajegunle. Him speaking to camera, smiling. I didn't build houses. Houses built me. If a boy with charcoal can do this, what's your excuse? If this story blessed you, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, where we share free blueprints and building lessons every week.